Ever wondered how challenging it can be to grow fruits and vegetables in the desert? The arid climate, scorching sun, and sandy soil can seem like insurmountable obstacles. But fear not. Let's explore the top 5 ways to retain moisture in the desert soil. Starting at number 5, we have mulching. This technique is all about layering organic or inorganic material around your plants. It decreases evaporation, increases water absorption, and maintains a steady soil temperature. Mulching, a simple yet effective way to keep your desert garden hydrated. Coming in at number 4, the use of absorbent materials. Incorporating elements like vermiculite or coir into your soil can significantly enhance its water retention capacity. It's a smart strategy, really. Absorbent materials, a clever trick to help your soil hold on to that precious water. At number 3, we have deep watering. This technique is all about promoting deep root growth. By watering deeply rather than frequently, your plants become more resilient to dry conditions. They'll learn to dig deep, literally. Deep watering, a method that encourages your plants to dig deep for their water. Coming in at number 2, the use of windbreaks. These clever barriers slow down wind speed, helping to keep that precious moisture right where you want it, in your soil. Less wind means less evaporation, and that's a win for your desert garden. Windbreaks, a smart way to tackle wind-induced evaporation. And at the top spot, we have drip irrigation. This method is a game changer in desert farming, delivering water precisely to the root zone of plants. It's the pinnacle of efficiency, ensuring every droplet counts in these arid conditions. Drip irrigation, the top-notch solution for desert farming water woes. So there you have it, mulching, absorbent materials, deep watering, windbreaks, and drip irrigation. These 5 methods are your key allies in the face of desert farming. With these 5 methods, you can conquer desert farming and have a thriving garden in no time.